Guitar lesson review number 2, the C major scale. The C major scale, we're going to learn on one string at a time. We're going to look at the notes in the C major scale. As you can see here, they're all natural notes. And simply, they are just said C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And it will repeat and repeat and repeat as many frets as you have. The C major scale is the main foundation to music, and many concepts are built off of that. It's a 7-note scale. The old solfege would relate to do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So C would be do, the 5, the G would be sol, and the relative minor A would be la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ti would be the half diminished, and also known as the tritone. Okay, we're going to look at one string at a time, and we're going to play with one finger all the notes. If you ascend, you go up, the notes go higher. A higher pitch means to ascend. Descend, the pitches get lower. If you were to look at a piano, these would be all the white keys. There's no sharps and no flats. So the first thing we have to do once we're in tune is identify where the C note is. I like to start here on the A string on the 3rd fret. C, and with one finger I'm going to play the notes and say the notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Below it is a B, an open A. B, C. Okay, there's the 7 notes. Notice how it repeats. Once I play here, this A here is the same as the open A. So if I hit A, B, C, that's the same as A, B, C. The guitar repeats from the 12th fret to the open. Repeats. 12th fret is the same as open, and all your notes end up repeating here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces to the C. You can't see this as a space because it's open. There's no fret there. This would be counting as that. So once you've learned this, it repeats. So you get to save a lot of time. So the next thing we do is we identify where the C note is on the 6th string, the low string. We go to the 8th fret. 3, 5, 7, 8. So there's C again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, nice and slow. Just do that over and over. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D, C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, F, E, E, F, G, A, B, C. If you observe the scale so far on the two strings, you'll notice that between the B and the C is a half step. They're right next door to each other. As opposed to C and D, you skip a fret. That's known as a whole step. So C to B happens again, this next door step. E to F, 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 E to F. So that happens on every string. Any scale or series of notes that you play, there's no E sharp. I'm sorry, there's no E sharp. There's no B sharp. Okay? But look at this. C to D. C to D. Well, this middle note here has to be a C sharp or a D flat. Okay? Now we're going to the D string. The D string, the C note's on the 10th fret. So we'll start here. So we got a lot of descending to work with. So C, D, E, half step. F, G, A, B, half step. C, C, B, A, G, F, half step. E, D, C. We got a lot of room to descend. C, B, A, G, F, E, D. E, F, G, A, B, C. G string, we're on the 5th fret. C, D, let's switch up a finger. Let's go to the middle finger. Play a quality note. Make sure your volume's up. Make sure your tone is up. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. The next string I really like because the C is right here on the 1st fret. So B, C. We always know that right below the C is B. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. In this case, B is the T. Do is C. That's kind of like home base right now. The 5 is so, which is the G note. La is the relative minor, A. And T is the half diminished and tritone. We'll talk about that in the next lesson. The tritone is the B. It's also known as T. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. What if I was to say that? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, sol, la. La is A, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Let's go with our third finger now. The 6 and the first string are the same, so I can actually play them together. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D, C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, F, E, E. Notice that, how I jump from one octave to the other octave playing the same note. Get creative. We're going to explore melodies and using all fingers with this concept in the next lesson. And we're going to look for melodies and start doing little techniques with this. And once you have this nice and slow, the goal would be able to, of course, move from one string to the other. Let's take a look at the C's real quick on all strings, just playing the C's. So I'm going to be playing 2 C's on each string. So that's 12 C's. You should know and be able to go to. Okay, be able to get to those C's quick. Know right behind it is the B note. Right behind it is the B note. Right behind it is the B note. Okay. All right.